Hey everyone, it's Hoopsmiles. I come to you in this dramatic lighting right now because today I have a special video for you. I'm going to do a product review of this LED hoop, the Phoenix hoop by SpinFX. So we're going to look at this in more detail, and I'm also going to do a little tutorial on how to use this hoop as well. And also, just want to let everybody know, I just recently started doing product reviews. So if you have any suggestions of things that you want me to review, please leave those in the comments below. The Phoenix hoop is a professional level smart LED hoop. It can be controlled by the SpinFX app on your smartphone or by remote or on the hoop itself. Its weight is evenly distributed throughout the hoop, along with there being no gaps in LED light illumination. USB rechargeable, this LED hoop comes loaded with a variety of colorful patterns to choose from. To turn on your Phoenix hoop, simply press the small power button on the side of your hoop. So if I press that power button, you may see a green light pop up. Then a couple seconds later, all the lights will illuminate. Basically, when I turn this hoop on, one color pattern will come up, and then some seconds later, it'll rotate to another pattern, and so it will just continuously switch from pattern to pattern. So as you can see, this hoop has a bunch of different color schemes, from more flashing strobe-like patterns to very colorful patterns to like something like this where it's just kind of crazy going in a circle. So once you're finished using your hoop and you want to turn it off, you just simply go ahead and press that power button in and the hoop will turn off. To use the SpinFX Remote app, download it first to your smartphone. Then, after powering up your hoop, connect via Bluetooth on the app. In the SpinFX Remote app, you can control how bright the LEDs illuminate or how fast or slow the LED patterns run. You can also switch between patterns by pressing the next and previous buttons, as well as turning off the autoplay function to make your hoop run a single pattern. The app also shows the battery life of your hoop, making it possible to conserve energy when needed. Jumping over to the patterns section of the app, you will find a large assortment of stock patterns. In this section, simply select the pattern you want to play. Voila! Your Phoenix hoop will now be running that pattern. Also, you can create and load your own custom patterns to your Phoenix hoop by connecting your hoop via USB cable to your computer. The SpinFX Remote app has several features and settings, many of which I did not mention, including the possibility of scripting your patterns to play at different time markers, such as if you want to program your patterns to play at different points of a song in a choreographed performance. To give you some background info about my Phoenix hoop, so I've had this hoop now for about a few years. I've taken it to many different places, performed with it countless times at events. So this hoop right here has a lot of mileage on it. The features that I like most about the Phoenix hoop, I would say right when I turn this hoop on, it just has these beautiful, colorful patterns. And honestly, like I actually rarely ever use the app just because I'm so satisfied with the startup patterns and how it just continually switches to another awesome pattern after the other. I also like that this hoop, I feel like it's very lightweight. Also, the weight is stationary and balanced throughout the hoop, which is really nice because I've actually hooped with an LED hoop before where it had a big old battery that you put inside that hoop, and every time you spun it around, you could feel the weight of the battery going around. So that's really a nice feature that these hoops have balanced weight. So another strength of this hoop, there was a time in the past where this hoop broke. Actually, there may have been a couple of times where the hoop stopped functioning. But one time in particular, I remember I sent this off to SpinFX, and it may have been like, on a Tuesday or something like that. And I think had a show that following weekend, and bam, they actually sent me a brand new hoop, or the same hoop fixed a few days later, and I actually got the hoop before the show, before the weekend, which is incredible response time. So I would say definitely a strength is their customer service. The only flaws that I saw while using this hoop pretty much occurred while using the app. There were a few minor hiccups, but for the most part, I was able to do a lot of stuff with the app that was pretty awesome, controlling the hoop via Bluetooth, which I just think is amazing. I noticed that it does take a little bit of time for this to recharge. Now, I have had this hoop for some years, so I acknowledge that, this is an electronic device with batteries in it, so I would assume that the battery life would deteriorate over time, so that just may be a natural progression. But overall, this hoop is awesome and amazing. So something I didn't realize while making this video is that the Phoenix hoop is actually transitioning over to Hyperion hoops. So there may be a lot of irrelevant information in this video. I'm not sure what the update is going to be of the Phoenix hoop. Maybe if this video gets enough likes, like let's say 500 likes or so, maybe I'll just go out and review the new updated version of the Phoenix hoop whenever that comes out. But overall, I mean, even the SpinFX Phoenix hoop, the one I have here, is a great hoop, and I would totally recommend this hoop to purchase. This hoop is absolutely amazing and incredible. Pretty much if you turn this hoop on and you're performing, you've already won over the crowd just by turning the hoop on, just because it's so beautiful and hypnotic to look at. So I love this hoop. So that means if it's going to be updated and even upgraded and even better, then that means it's probably going to be way awesome. So everyone out there, thank you so much for watching this video. I'd love to make more reviews, especially of hoop products. Other LED hoops out there. If you guys want me to review other LED hoops, please let me know, or if there's other hoop products on the market that you would like me to talk about, research about. I would love to do it and make a video. So please leave your feedback in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And thank you so much for watching.